everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Target. I feel like Target's deals are getting a little bit better. I mean, there was times where I got a lot of stuff at Target, and now there are times where it's like I hardly get anything. I mean, I love shopping at Target. I like shopping at Target a whole lot better than shopping at Walmart. I feel like my experiences are a little bit better. Cashiers are a little bit understanding. At Walmart, I feel like I have to wait. You haven't even started yet. I feel like when I'm at Walmart, kid really wants something. But when I'm in line, I feel like I wait forever in line at Walmart. And then I get like some of the cashiers I don't have problems with, and then some cashiers I'm just like, oh my god. And Target, like, they're pretty good, they're pretty fast. You know, if something doesn't happen, I just go straight to service desk, bam, bam, bam. So I feel like I like shopping at Target for couponing a little bit better than Walmart. Plus, I know a lot of people don't like, you know, how their Walmarts don't take paper coupons and all this stuff. But I try to show you guys as many deals as I can. But I do more Ibotta hauls through Walmart because there's more deals through Walmart. But one deal that I did do is, or I did a couple deals, but the one deal I did is the Pepsi Zero deal. Now, this was $1.79. This is, I got the hiccups all of a sudden. I had bad acid reflux with my pregnancy, but I ended up getting the Pepsi Zero 20 ounce. Now, this was $1.79. And then I ended up getting the Pepsi Zero 12 pack, and this was $4.89. There's also a 25% off, forgot what I was saying. There's a 25% off deal on Cartwheel for this, so you guys would get that even cheaper. And then we had the $2 off coupons that popped up. I don't even know if they're available, but it was buy a 12 pack, you get the Zero with it for $2 off. So I used that $2 off coupon. So I ended up paying $3.45 for both of those items. But then you guys can get a 50-cent rebate for the bottle, and then you guys can get a 50-cent rebate for the 12 pack of pop on Ibotta, making it just $2.45, which I think is a pretty good deal. I used to buy, well, you guys call it pop soda. It depends on where you live, but I call it pop. But I don't like buying 12 packs of pop unless it's under $2.50. Sometimes I'll pay $3, but I don't like paying anything more than that. I mean, when I graduated high school, these were like less than $2 a piece, and now they want like $4 or $5 for a freaking 12 pack of pop. I think it's ridiculous. So husband and I really cut back on pop. Like, we'll get it if we absolutely needed to, but I usually get A&W root beer because A&W is my favorite, and he'll get either Coke or Pepsi, but we only get it when it's on sale. So right now I am bone dry. He is pretty much bone dry, so I got this for him, and then we just gotta wait for the next sale. So I'm just waiting for the next sale with that, but I think $2.45 for those two items is a pretty good deal. Now, one thing I was so excited to get is the Herbal Essences BioRenew. Now, every single time I try to get this at Walgreens, there's something that's not going right, so I can never get this scent, especially with the Ibotta app. It never lets you scan these ones. It always has you scan the other flavors, is what I call it. But I ended up getting the Herbal Essences BioRenew. Now, the flavor I got is white strawberry and sweet mint. I really like this smell. I used to use Herbal Essences a lot growing up, but I stopped using it after I kind of couponed for a while. I was using the regular Herbal Essences, but I've been dying to try this, so I'm pretty excited to finally get something that I actually really want to use. So this is going in the Jennifer pile. But these were $5.99 a piece. We have those buy one get one free coupons that we got in yesterday's P&G, so March's P&G. So you guys want to use 2 of those coupons. My coupons scan just fine. You guys would pay $11.98 for the 4 of these, which could be a ridiculous deal. But you guys will get a $5 gift card when you guys buy 4 of these, making them $6.98 or $1.74. Not the greatest, but I feel like the BioRenew we don't get very much. I mean, I feel like I don't get very much of the BioRenew very often, so I definitely wanted to do this deal, and I'm super excited because I am ready to use that shampoo. I have like a pile of shampoo that I want to try. Instead of using the same stuff over and over again, I like to just mix it up and see where we're at. So got that. Sorry, I'm like super out of breath all of a sudden. I talk too much. Can't see a doctor about it. They won't do anything. I'm just shortness out of breath. Gotta drink my orange soda. Yeah. Ended up getting the Clairol Root Touch-Up. Now, this was $6.89. There is a 15% off deal on Cartwheel for that. Plus, we have the 5 off of 2 coupons that we just got. So you guys would pay $6.71. But then you guys can submit a 6 off of 2 rebate on Ibotta, just making it 71 cents or 35 cents a piece. I haven't done that part yet, so you're going to have to go back upstairs. I haven't done it yet. So 35 cents a piece I think is a pretty good deal. And I always try to get different colored dyes because I don't always use all this hair dye and I give it away, or my mom uses it. My mom's blonde. I haven't used it, Ben. I got to do my video, honey. But, so I think that's a pretty good deal. So if you guys don't use a lot of hair dye or you give it away, get a multiple different colors, or see whoever you give it to what kind of colors they want, because not everybody has the same hairdo. I feel weird when I buy like different multiple colored hair dye because like I have brown hair, but I'm buying blonde and red and black hair dye. Okay, go. Go away for a second. The next deal I did is Kinder Eggs. Now I was going to do this deal at Walmart, but my son wanted these really badly, and I'm like, fine, I'll do it at Target. My coupon did not scan, and then she's like, oh yeah, it worked. And then when we looked at, Ben, go put that on the bookshelf. Okay. When I looked on my receipt, I'm like, it never works. She's like, well, it'll come off, and it never did, so they had to fix it for me. But I ended up getting 3 of these. We have 2 of them now because my son helped himself to one right when we left the store. But these were $1.49. They are $1.44 at they're $1.44 at Walmart. And then you guys were also saying you got some at the Dollar Tree. I've been avoiding the Dollar Tree as much as I can because I don't need anything there. I'm not telling you this again. Please go upstairs. But you guys want to use that $1 off of 3 coupon that we just got in yesterday's paper. Now, if you guys don't have that coupon, there was coupons available to print off the Smart Source website. So you guys use that $1 off of 3 coupon. You guys would pay $3.47 for all 3 of them. But then you guys will get a 50-cent rebate times 3 on Ibotta, making it $1.97 or just 65 cents a piece. So, and last time I checked, there was only a couple days left of the rebate, but then when I checked today, there's no rebate. So I don't know if it reset or something, or a new one popped up. I have no idea. Here, take this one.
I like that.
And then get out of here.
Okay.
Get out of here. So, had to do that deal, but that was my Target haul. It wasn't much. I wanted to do a couple deals, but I couldn't find the coupons for it. I don't know if they just weren't there anymore or not, but I ended up, you know, nixing some other deals. But my total came to $26.79. I felt like, I'm like, why does that seem like super high? I hardly got anything, but I ended up doing that. I ended up getting $8 and stop it. I ended up getting $8.50 back with Ibotta. And then I got a $5 gift card for buying the Herbal Essence. And if you guys want to see what the Kinder Eggs look like, they're just like this, the cream, and then they got like...
this is a toy.
Yeah. So they just got like the cream in there, and then here we get a toy. This is a lot of pieces, Benjamin. Oh, this is that frog again.
I have double tonight.
Yeah, so we got a frog, so I'll just put the frog together. One thing I do like is just bring it upstairs and I'll put it together a little bit. One thing I do like is the Easter toys. I like the Easter toys better than the original, like some of those toys, so they're kind of cute. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up on the toys. But sorry, $26.79, $8.50 for my Ibotta $5 gift card. My total came down to $13.29. Now keep in mind I did spend $7 on the shampoo and conditioner. But I got 11 items. That comes out to be $1.20. So I think, if you guys really think about it, $1.20 for the 6-pack or 12-pack of pop is a pretty good deal. $1.20 for the Herbal Essence could be a good deal. Kinder Eggs is not the greatest deal, but hey, you know, I don't care. I think we did okay, so I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. I'm really hoping, you know, next month is going to be March already, so I'm really hoping Ibotta steps it up. I feel like kind of in January and February, they don't have as much deals for sales and stuff because people are saving money because they just, you know, they're paying their bills from Christmas. They don't really want to go shopping. So as you guys see, Ibotta gets better and better as it goes on, and I think in like March and April, hopefully I think it's gonna pick up. We'll see. Fingers crossed, but I hope there's more deals and better ways to save on that. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all another time for another Target Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye bye.